some really interesting research that Vercel has been doing on how skills or a simple Agents.md file outperforms skills. So skills are, again, a resource of best practices and how to use certain things. We know from OpenClaw that it basically enables it to use Google Places or Twitter. Out the box, the LLM might not know how to use Twitter, right? It might not be trained on the newest updates on Twitter. Here's a great little explanation. AI code agents rely on training data that becomes outdated. Next.js introduces APIs like use cache, connection, forbidden that aren't in the current model of training data. So Opus doesn't contain this information. When agents don't know these APIs, they generate incorrect code or fall back to older patterns. The reverse can also be true, where you're running an older version of Next.js and the model suggests newer APIs that don't exist in your project yet. We want to fix this by giving agents access to version matched documentation, so you're always up to date. This is kind of why we give it extra MCPs and things like that, to try and just help it maintain and be up to date, because web dev is, it's changing all the time. And we're relying on, I think Opus is up to September last year, Opus 4.5. So anyway, skills are open standard to enable this, whereas Agents.md or Claude.md is a markdown file on the root of your project provides persistent context to coding agents. Whatever you put in Agents.md is available to the agent every turn. So it's similar to, again, OpenClaw, where the sole MD is included in every single request. Mm-hmm. So they did some tests, and what they were finding is that skills weren't being triggered reliably. And this is an issue, right? In 56% of eval cases, the skill was never invoked. The agent had access to the documentation, but didn't use it. Adding the skill produced no improvement over the baseline. So I guess this is without skill. This is with skill, the same rate, same pass rate. Then they moved things over to the Agents.md. We tried adding explicit instructions to Agents.md, telling the agent to use the skill. And I've got a story here. The improved trigger rate to 95% and boosted the pass rate to 79%. So actually, it's a kind of combination of the two. And I talk about this because basically in my root Claude MD file for my system, I have, whenever a feature is being asked of you, use the exa MCP to research that tool or technology or whatever, because I was finding my MCPs weren't being called. I've got a couple of skills, but I don't rely heavily on skills. But, putting two and two together, you might as well put in your rules. If you've got something, especially in a code base, you can have Claude MDs can exist across your computer, across all projects, or you can have it just in a single project. If you're using Next.js and you've got Next.js documentation or Next.js skill, React, whatever, you might as well add it as a line in your Agents.md file. So whilst this is a very formal way of actually putting it together and showing statistics, this is kind of what I've been doing already, is just telling the agent to use skills, use MCPs. They actually found here, what's this 100% as the hunch that paid off? What if we remove the decision entirely? Instead of hoping agents would invoke the skill, we could embed the docs directly in Agents.md, not the full documentation, just an index that tells the agent where to find the specific doc files that match your Next.js version. So in fact, it looks like that they literally download the docs into the code base and tell it and point it to it. And I think then it gets 100% rate.
Nice.
Which is really good. It's funny because there's been mutterings about this way of doing things for quite a while when talking about MCPs and this and that, because it's much better at writing code. So yeah, I think this is probably part of the setup process. Again, thinking about it, put in your Claude MD file, every technology that we add to this in this package JSON, go and get the documentation and make a folder for it, add it in the Claude MD file. You can get the agent to automatically do that with every project. So you don't have to actually go off and get the documentation. That's what you could do. Because here's the thing, with Claude Code doesn't read Agents.md, which is what they talk about in here. They talk about this Agents.md file. What I do is I've got a short on this. I create when you /init on a Claude Code project, it creates a Claude MD file. What I've got in my computer-wide Claude MD file is create a agents.md file, copy all the contents from Claude MD, and then make a symlink, delete the Claude MD file, and then symlink Claude MD to the agents.md. So then everything's just done in that agents.md file. And I've asked it to do that whenever I initialize a project, and it works. So you can have a lot of commands or setup that you prefer in that Claude MD file. So pretty cool research that Vercel were doing. Interestingly, weren't they the ones who released skills? Didn't they just release this tool about skills, and now they've been like, skills don't work that well? Anyway, if anything, they could probably add something to this. When you npx a skill, it adds a line in the agents.md to check the skill. So yeah, pretty cool. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.